Let's add and connect a motion sensor. In the browser, select Menu and then press Settings. Sensors under Settings selector should also be chosen for this setup. Under Select Sensor to configure, select 3 Sensor or the next unassigned position. Name the sensor by typing a name in the sensor name field, for example, living room or basement. For the sensor type, select 5 Follower. For options, select 2 Bypass Stay. The area group can be left defaulted to 1 area group. Next, press Learn in the browser. Then, tamper the motion sensor. This can be done by detaching the backplate by pushing on the tab at the top and pulling the backplate away from the sensor body. The hub will find the sensor and capture the serial ID. Press Save. Mount the sensor by attaching the backplate to a flat wall or in a corner at a height of 7.5 feet. For proper coverage, the bottom mounting holes should be used. The sensor will sit at a slight angle when properly installed. Ensure that the walk test indicator light is toward the ceiling.